Step 1. Assemble all panels into a shape that is larger on all sides than the case where you will install them. Press together the interlocking teeth on each side of the individual grid panels. Depending on the shape or size of your case, you may need to interlock the short or long side of each grid panel. Numbering panels at this point will allow you to reassemble them correctly after cutting them to fit. Step 2. If your case includes base foam, remove the foam and use it to trace out the case's shape onto the assembled panels. If your case does not include base foam, place the panels over the case and mark areas that need to be removed to fit. Step 3. Use a sharp knife or saw to cut and shape each individual panel along the previously marked areas. Cut along the grid lines when able, although cutting where it makes the most sense for a good fit is optimal. Step 4. Reassemble panels and check for precise fit inside the case. Step 5. Once panels fit the layout of the case, apply gap filling strips as needed to tighten fit. Step 6. Place firearms and gear on top of the installed panels as desired. Install blocks as needed for your specific loadout to immobilize and brace items. Use additional blocks as needed to brace and support both ends of firearms, horizontally and from the top and bottom of the case. Place blocks between larger items so that they are not touching the case walls, and ensure that optics and other fragile gear are not braced against blocks. Use additional blocks to compartmentalize and secure other items. Step 7. For optimal performance and protection, stack the blocks vertically to the level of the lid or foam, if used without lid foam, to a level where the blocks contact the lid of the case when it's closed. Step 8. Use gear straps where needed to further secure the firearm, especially in deeper cases where the case lid foam may not contact the firearm. Loop gear straps through the grid panel and around the item to be secured. Ensure that the hook and loop material is connected. Cinching down the strap through the slot in the gear strap is not required or recommended.